Clip iOS Basics. Now that your iOS device is connected to your clip, let's take a look at the TeraClip interface. On the left side panel, you will find information and status indicators. The top left identifies your clip and its IP address. If your clip is in infrastructure mode, you can click on this area to access other clips on the same network. Below confirms the input status and identifies the incoming signal. The video status shows you the configured quality setting for your stream. Delay tells you how much latency there is between the clip and iPad. This can all be updated in the controls panel. Network identifies the current wireless status, whether it's in AP or client mode. iPad Player shows you a real-time analysis of your clip and iPad performance. Player load of your iPad will reflect the performance of your clip. For example, player load is high, you may want to close some of the other apps running on your iPad. On the right side, Controls panel, you'll be able to adjust your basic settings. Video quality represents the overall quality of your stream. The Auto option will determine your video quality based on network strength and bandwidth. By setting your quality to manual, you are able to adjust your quality using the slider. Every time you change the quality setting, your encoder will restart. You can also adjust the buffer setting, which gives you the option to prioritize your feed's performance between lower latency and smoother playback. Commands offer helpful tools for operation. The Switch Feed tool accommodates using multiple iPads with one clip. By default, the clip is a unicast device, so use the Switch Feed button to select which iPad sees the feed. Orientation rotates the video player. This is convenient if your camera is oriented upside down, and a quick way to view in the correct orientation without going into your camera settings. Snapshot allows you to take an uninterrupted picture of the video feed. It is stored on your iPad. Lastly, Stopwatch is designed as a tool for UAV users, which you can set based on the average runtime of your copter's battery. Under Settings, you will find more advanced configuration options. Under Encoder, you have controls for your video quality and performance. Once again, you have the basic quality slider. You can also adjust the buffer setting, which gives you the option to prioritize your feed's performance between lower latency and smoother playback. Streaming settings are made available for manually configuring your feed. This will be useful for the future when using decoders and receivers. In Network, you can adjust the Wi-Fi mode to either access point or infrastructure. Also, in AP mode, you can specify channels. System. Clip settings identify the current firmware and allow you to factory reset. Advanced settings can be found here as well. We will go over these in a future tutorial. You are able to adjust the iPad screen brightness. Layout adjusts the overall view of the application. You can zoom into the video as well as drag in certain panels. Lastly, in Viewfinder, you'll find overlays for your video feed. For further or advanced technical support, visit support.teradek.com. For more information about Teradek, visit teradek.com.